Welcome to Mindful Haven. The modern world is full of noise, endless choices, constant notifications, a race to have more, be more, do more. But Taoist wisdom has always whispered a different way. Return to nature. Return to simplicity. Follow the Tao. Today, we explore how letting nature lead can free us from complexity, restore balance to our minds, and bring us back home to what truly matters. Taoist sages often speak of the uncarved block, a piece of wood, whole and untouched. It symbolizes naturalness, purity, the state of being before the mind complicates things. Like children before they are shaped by expectations, the uncarved block is free. But as adults, we layer ourselves with wants and worries, needing to be admired, chasing success, comparing ourselves endlessly. Taoism invites us to set down these layers, to return to the simple truth of our being, whole, complete, enough. Nature never rushes, yet everything gets done. A tree does not struggle to grow. A river does not force its path. Life unfolds perfectly because it follows the Tao, the way of harmony and balance. When we reconnect with nature, we remember this wisdom: to rest when tired, to flow around obstacles, to allow things to ripen in their own time. Taoist living is not about escape. It's about learning from the quiet intelligence already moving through the natural world. Why do we feel overwhelmed? Because we've drifted from nature's rhythm. We multitask, chase after more possessions, fill every moment with noise. But Taoism teaches the wise person reduces, not adds. We suffer because we've added more than life truly requires. Taoist simplicity is about subtracting the unnecessary until only the essential, the peaceful, the natural remains. If you can, sit near a window or somewhere you can feel nature, even if only a houseplant or a breeze on your skin. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and out. Imagine you are rooted like a tree. Your breath is the wind. Your body, a mountain. Your mind, a clear sky. Silently say, I let go of excess. I return to simplicity. I follow the Tao of nature. With each breath, feel the weight of complexity melt away. Beneath it, you'll find stillness. You'll find your natural self. Taoism reminds us that wisdom is not found in adding more, but in uncovering what's already pure and simple within us. Let nature guide you. Watch the seasons. Listen to rivers. Walk barefoot on the earth. Life becomes less of a struggle when we live by its natural laws. This is Mindful Haven. May you find freedom in simplicity, balance in nature's rhythm, and peace in the Tao that flows through all things. Thank you for being here. Like and subscribe to Mindful Haven. Find peace within.